Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss on equations of motion. Equation of motion is one of the most important topic, one of the most important concept in physics. Actually, this equation of motions gives a solution to a number of real life problems. So please pay attention. Please try to understand this concept of equation of motion very carefully. We will start with the equations of motion. The very basic assumptions what we have done for this equation of motion is when an object moves along a straight line with a uniform acceleration. There is one object and that object is traveling in a straight line with uniform acceleration. That is our basic assumption or basic consideration. The set of equations which relate velocity, acceleration, distance covered by object in a certain time interval during the motion. During that uniformly accelerated motion of that object will travel some distance, it will have some velocity, and with some acceleration that object will move. Actually, these equations of motion, and these are three equations, that's why we'll call it as a set of equations. So these set of equations correlate or they interlink the terms velocity, acceleration, and distance. So these velocity, acceleration, and distance are interlinked, interconnected by these equations. These equations are very important. What are those equations? Three equations are there. First equation, v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So what these equations are, from where they came, that we will discuss in coming videos, but just for this video as sake, we will consider these three equations: v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, 2as is equal to v square minus u square. What are these different terms? U is the initial velocity of the object, v is the final velocity of the object, s is the distance traveled or covered by that object in the certain time t, and a is the uniform acceleration. A is the uniform acceleration. These are, with these terms, these equations are written here. Now, again, I have written these three equations: v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Actually, these three equations, each equation represents some relation. So, relation between velocity, position, and time. Velocity, position, and time. So, these different terms, uh, so these equations give relation between those. So, first, v is equal to u plus at, it gives velocity and time relation. S is equal to ut plus half at square, it represents the position and time relation. And 2as is equal to v square minus u square is represents the position and velocity relation. Basically, these three equations, it can be derived by algebraic method and graphical method also. By using algebraic method and by graphical method also, we can derive them. In coming videos, surely we will derive this equation both by algebraic method and graphical method. Thank you.